Welcome back guys, what I've got here is the Mr. Beam Slim Safety Light that is battery powered with a motion sensor that can activate from up to 4 meters away. This bright slim safety light is ideal for doorways, sheds and caravans. It can also be used indoors and outdoors. And the light can be rotated to an angle. Right inside you will get a small leaflet of other Mr. Beam's products that they do. Instructions on the setup, which is pretty much straightforward. A pack of 2 screws and wall plugs. And the Mr. Beam Slim Light. This is the sensor, and over here is a 100 lumens LED light. Now at the back there is a bracket to hold on the light. You can slip it off or place it back in. Once you have the light in place, you can actually tilt it down to a desired area of light coverage. Installation is simple. Unslot and add 2 C-type batteries on each end. Making sure it's firmly locked in its place. And it will automatically turn on. But the light will not work in daylight. It will only work once the sensor senses darkness. Now the bracket is simple to install anywhere you want, wherever you want the light to shine, whether it's the doorway, staircase or even outside. The light stays on for 20 seconds and then after it will automatically shut off. The batteries will last for over 6 to 12 months depending upon usage. As you can see, it can brighten up a good 20 square meters. Best thing about it, it's wireless. So overall I'm quite happy with this little light that can shine through darkness and grant you enough light to lead your way. See you guys in the next one. Peace.